All right, guys, 2001 Ford F-150 5.4 Triton. Really beautiful truck. He's building it for himself. So you should have seen it before, guys, before he painted it and wheels and stuff. So he brought it to us. Didn't have no exhaust on it. We cut everything off and put high flow cats there and there. Then crossed it over, true dual all the way with an X pipe for exhaust scavenge. Then 2 1/4 pipe into 2 FLOWMASTer Outlaws. Right there, part number 815425. Right there. Be a link in the description for both. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, custom bent, mandrel bent into 5-inch black tips. These right there on each side. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, comment, like, subscribe, and share because you care. Again? No, I was wrong. Sounds good. Again? There we go. 114. Not bad. Again? What's the highest it hit? 114? It's got a really nice pop to it. Go ahead and back it out. All right. You like it? Thumbs up? Yeah. That's so nice. So good. True duals. FLOWMASTer Outlaw. There we go. It's really beautiful truck. I'm gonna take a picture of his phone. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before he started the project. All right, guys. We'll let you guys hear on the inside.
Taking it back to Georgia.
Bob. I called you Bill. I don't know why. Bob.
You always do.
Do I? I do, don't I? Why?
How's your brother doing?
Everybody's good. Up to no good as usual. Yeah. That look is perfect. Look at that. So clean. And more traffic.